The Odisha Medical Service Association, or OMSA, on Thursday launched a protest pressing its 10-point charter of demands. Reacting to the agitation, Health Minister Mukesh Mahaling stated that the state government has constituted a secretary-level committee to examine the demands raised by the doctors. The committee will be chaired by the Additional Secretary of the General Administration Department and will include the Health Secretary, Law Department Secretary, and Finance Department Secretary as members. According to the Health Minister, the committee will thoroughly review OMSA's demands and submit a detailed report to the government. Assuring the protesting doctors, Mukesh Mahaling said that the Odisha government remains committed to addressing their concerns and fulfilling their legitimate demands.
देखो ओमसार कमिटी सहित मोर कम से कम 2-3 थर आलोचना है पर्सनल लेवल रे एवं ऑफिशियली आमर आलोचना सबू दाबी गुड़ी को तर्जमा करी उचित न्याय देवाई आम गोटे सरकारी लेवल रे कमिटी गठन करूँ जो थे कि एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी जी डिपार्टमेंट रू चेयर करेंगे से आमर हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी लॉ सेक्रेटरी एवं फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी यांको नेइकरी तांकर दाबी गुडी को तर्जमा करा होछि एवं मु मध्य तांको सहित आमर जो कमिटी सहित टच रे अछि एवं आगामी दिन रे निश्चित भाव रे तांकर जोटा यथार्थ दाबी अछि हम पूर्ण करिया पय प्रयास